Open your mouth. Smile. Okay. So there's still a little bit of some swelling and things here, but it's by and large quite okay. How's your bite? No, like you're feeling it normal now? You're able to chew and eat? Awesome. That's good. That's usually what takes the longest time to settle. Any pain anywhere? Huh? എവിടെ പെയിൻ ഉണ്ട്? ലൈറ്റ് ആയിട്ട് വരുന്നുണ്ട്. എനിത്തിങ് ലൈക്ക് numbness മരവിച്ച പോലെ? No numbness anywhere. Okay, very nice. So some pain is there in this sides. Other than that, there is no discomfort. Pain, when is it there? വെറുതെ ഉണ്ടാകുമ്പോൾ ഉണ്ടാ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ when you're eating ഭക്ഷണം? Now you're having pain? ഇല്ല. Jointലിയോ? because അത് ഉണ്ടാവും ചിലപ്പോൾ, because the jaw position is changed അല്ലേ ഇപ്പം. മൂവ്മെൻ്റ് എല്ലാം നമുക്ക് ചേഞ്ച് ആയിട്ടുണ്ട്. We've moved the jaws, so that can happen. അതാണ് ഞാൻ ചോദിക്കുക. That will become all right over a few weeks. Because the new joint will take some time for adjustment. അത്രേ ഉള്ളൂ, nothing more than that. Okay, so the pain here, there is still swelling. That will go away, and we'll remove those what's that, sutures today, so he will heal nicer. Smile. Yeah, that's nice, and it will even get better. Okay, this swelling here will get better, this swelling here will get better. You want to see, I mean, on the mirror or something? No? Okay.
We have already seen that Facebook post.
No, it was Instagram.
Facebook.
Really?
Yeah. Before and after.
Oh, it's gone on Facebook, is it? Okay. It was on Instagram, I think. Anyway, it's healed well. So all you have to do is give it some more time. It's what now? 2 weeks or more?
Now it's 3.
3 weeks after surgery?
1 month.
Huh?
20. No.
1 month.
Surgery ഇന്ന് ചെയ്തത് നമുക്ക്?
14.
Okay.
14th.
Okay, so it's fine. So you don't have to come. Maybe you can come after 3 months or 4 months or 6 months or something like that. We'll finish all the treatment today. They'll remove the sutures because 1 month over almost, and they're still hanging around. So she'll get more comfortable if you remove the sutures. Now you see, her face looks like her sister's. First thing I noticed was that she used to look very different from her sister before. You remember that? But now, suddenly there's like sister thing happening. All right, that's interesting. You wait for some more time, she'll look more like your sister, I think now. Done. Even the doctor started telling sutures. Right, we'll remove all the sutures, and you can have normal diet since you're not having any issues with your bites. The pain, the discomfort will be there for a while. The jaws will close more now, and some alteration will take place in the condylar position of the lower jaw, because that's the only jaw that is hinging and moving. We have not removed that. We only moved everything else. Upon that closure, these things are there. But good thing for you, no numbness. 2 most complaints people say you are not having. What is the most common complaint? Some numbness at 1 month. Second most common complaint people say, little difficult in biting and eating food. These are 2 main complaints after bimaxillary surgery or after both jaw surgery. But you are not having both. So I'm very happy. That means healing is very good, everything. Why she's having pain in the joint, I think, is because she's already started eating to a certain extent. So it's in the new position, it's just feeling a little different. That will become all right. Some pain in this side is probably because of the anesthesia site. There it is little hard. So that we will take some sutures from inside, that will also go away. And that's it. We can take maybe in the night 1 tablet for the swelling if you want. Otherwise, just leave her alone. Nature will take care, and it will all become fine very soon. She doesn't need braces as far as I'm concerned. She's able to eat well. So we've not done any braces either before nor after. If you want to get that small 1 millimeter gap between the teeth, അങ്ങനെ ചെറിയ പരിപാടിന് മാത്രം you'll have to
Plain.
plain ഏതോ ഒന്ന് something that you talk to the orthodontist whichever they want. But you can go for that if you want. But if it's not for that, you can leave her alone. ഇന്നും കുറച്ച് സമയമാകുമ്പോൾ it will settle down. ഇന്ന് ഇവിടെ some weakers there, that face is still going to get even more better. Like hers becomes smooth and nice and over like that it will become.
ഇതിനേക്കാളും മുന്നേ fast ആയിട്ടാണ് അവർക്ക് വരുന്നത്.
കറക്റ്റ് ഇറ്റ്സ് ലിറ്റിൽ ഫാസ്റ്റർ ഹീലിംഗ് ആ അത് കറക്റ്റായിട്ട് പറയാൻ പറ്റത്തില്ല മനസ്സിലായില്ലേ ചില പേഷ്യൻസിന് നമുക്ക് 3 മാസം ആകുമ്പോൾ നംനെസ് പറയുക ചില പേഷ്യൻസ് ഇങ്ങനെ 3 ആഴ്ച ആകുമ്പോൾ നംനെസ് ഇല്ല പറയുക ദിസ് ഇസ് ഓൾ മെഡിക്കൽ സയൻസ് സർജറി ഇസ് നോട്ട് ലൈക്ക് മാത്സ് 1+1 is not 2 for everybody ചിലർക്ക് 1.5 ചിലർക്ക് 3.5 so it's good that she's recovered well everything is fine നിങ്ങൾ ഫോട്ടോ അയച്ചിരുന്നില്ല I was surprised that was almost 3 months post op photo but it's 3 weeks. That's why I called them to I told them that you should come because I didn't see you last time and so if anything is there or something anyway this week I'll see. Okay, nice to see you. Take care. Bye.
She is very happy.
Well, yeah, she should be happy. She's a brave girl. She's gone through a lot of pain and everything without complaining, without making one ittripula noise she never made. Ideal patient. No jokes. I have patients who are very problematic sometimes. Fussy. Girls, അവർക്ക് ഒരു ചെറിയ ഇഞ്ചക്ഷൻ ഇടുമ്പോൾ ഇങ്ങനെ പറയുക ഇടത്തിൽ they'll make noise. She was like super. Nobody had any issues. And it pains, I'll tell you. Bimaxillary surgery is not small. But it's a procedure that I have had patients who have told me 3 months I have not felt normal. So that means some healing is happening, muscles are attaching. It all takes a while. And some patients have difficulty biting also. Because that position they will not get, because all are in new position. But for her, fortunately, all of that is good. And right, so we'll see you. And probably she's lost some weight also, or no? You lost some weight? So she'll be happy with that also. Correct? Okay. Bye-bye. You can come anytime if you want, 1 or 2 months or 3 months if you're coming this side. Otherwise, I particularly don't have to see you. Chalo, bye.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.